There is an ancient conversation going on between mosses and rocks. Poetry, to be sure, about light and shadow and the drift of continents. There's something about the forest that evokes a bit of wonder and awe. Perhaps it's the unexpected things we find there. Moss is tenacious, mushrooms, branches, bark, and stones. A variety of textures. The proper conditions encouraging life and growth on every kind of surface. Perhaps it's that unexpected pop of green, or a delightful texture, or the way the forest provides all different kinds of discoveries. Today on Life in Bloom, we'll explore the gifts of the forest and how to bring nature into your home so you can experience a bit of its magic every day. Have you heard of the concept of forest bathing? It's something people in Japan have been doing for years. They call it Shinrin-yoku. And when I heard about it, I couldn't wait to give it a try. Shinrin in Japanese means forest, and yoku means bath. So Shinrin-yoku means bathing in the forest atmosphere, or taking in the forest through your senses. Forest bathing is simply being in nature and making that connection with all of our senses: sights, sounds, smells, touch, and even taste. Take time to observe and enjoy your surroundings. Leave your devices at home. Unplugging from the modern world lets you de-stress and totally relax. Feel the leaves crunching underfoot. Listen to the songs of the birds. Taste the fresh air. Watch the sunlight dance. Even a short time in nature can help you relax, rejuvenate, think more clearly, and restore energy.